We love cars, and we're sure you love yours too. But there are always ways to take your car to the next level and make it truly yours. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the best car gadgets you can get straight from Amazon. These simple additions are useful, and they'll make your car a more complete and personalized package. Number 13. High Road STASHAWAY. Drive-thrus and car hops are super convenient for when you want to grab a bite but don't want to spend an hour looking for parking first. But eating in the car is gonna create trash, and that trash has to go somewhere. You can start repurposing the bags you get from the restaurant and install a High Road STASHAWAY garbage can. Using the straps, you can secure the STASHAWAY to any stable point in the car, and now you have a convenient place for everyone to dump their trash. When it's full, you can just as easily remove the STASHAWAY to empty it and then put it back in its place. The bag is leak-proof and waterproof, and the vinyl lining on the inside is durable and prevents smells from wafting out of the trash. On the sides, the STASHAWAY also has net pockets where you can store things like tissues or hand sanitizer. Number 12. Collapsible car tray table. Speaking of eating in the car, you could probably get away without having a stable surface to eat on, but why make that compromise? You can get yourself tables that look like the ones on airplanes. While backseat passengers can have trays of any kind, the two up-front trays that are adapted to fit around the dashboard and steering wheel. You can buy these separately or buy them in a set. Having tables like these ups your convenience in many ways. They allow you to eat without the risk of getting your clothes dirty, and you aren't limited to handheld food anymore. If you opt for a collapsible table, you can fold it up and stash it somewhere convenient, so they don't take up too much space in the car. Number 11. Push-to-start covers. Pushing a start button to fire up the engine used to be a thing in sports cars, but it's becoming more common in cars today. It's a cool feature, but why not try to make it even cooler? Push-to-start covers are really simple things. There's a ring with an adhesive that can stick to the dashboard around the starter button, and there is a hinged cover that can open and close over the button. Now we're going from sports car territory to missile launch territory. Which cover should you get? Whichever one looks coolest to you. We especially dig the Captain America, Iron Man, and Batman ones. But you can also go for a generic design that still looks good. This is one of the easiest ways you can add a little personality to your car. Number 10. Smart Car Pillow. All cars have a basic level of comfort, but some people may want their cars to be a little cozier. If you frequently drive long distances or get stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic, the stock headrest in your car might not be cutting it for you. The Tracebird Smart Pillow will help you take your comfort to the next level. The first thing that's cool about the Tracebird is in its name. It's a pillow. It'll give great support to your neck and help you stay in a comfortable posture. There's an airbag inside the pillow that, along with the companion app, can be adjusted to suit your needs. But it's also a smart pillow, which means it has 4 other functions besides. The pillow has a smart massage function with 10 massage modes for that extra level of comfort. You also get an FM transmitter that, combined with the app, lets you transmit your music to the car's audio system. It also has a Bluetooth speaker built in that lets you answer calls. Finally, there's a driving record system that lets you keep track of different types of data about your commutes. Number 9. Trap Tap. Speeding tickets are the worst. How many times have you been driving down a road you didn't know, accidentally going over the limit, and you get hit by a speed trap? Luckily, the Trap Tap exists to take care of this problem for you. The Trap Tap is a little puck that can connect to a companion app on your phone, and then you can stick the puck onto your dashboard. Using data from the app, the Trap Tap can warn you of any upcoming road conditions that'll change your speed limit. These include roadside speed traps. The device itself contains an LED flasher that can flash red to warn you when one of these is coming up, and flashes green when you're above the speed limit of your road. What about portable and hidden speed traps that police sometimes use? Not only can the Trap Tap detect them, but it has a special blue light for those situations. Where does the Trap Tap get all this info? The info comes from the user. The Trap Tap also lets you tap the puck in order to record speed traps that were maybe not in the app's database before. Number 8. Type S Smart Lighting. Mood and ambient lighting is usually an expensive option that's only available in expensive cars. Why bother spending that much on it when you can get a DIY solution with the Type S Smart Lighting System? This kit comes with some flexible LED lighting strips that you can squeeze into the nooks and gaps in your dash and interior. One end of the strip goes into your standard cigarette lighter plug, and boom, you have lights. But that's not all, because this is a smart lighting kit. Inside the box, you also get a smart hub that's powered by the same cigarette lighter plug. This hub can be controlled by a companion app, and it allows you to easily change lighting colors and patterns and even create settings for situations. Number 7. VoPulse. Speaking of options that usually cost a lot of money on top of expensive cars, it really shouldn't be so difficult to get a Bluetooth connection for your car's audio system these days. You can make the better choice of investing in a VoPulse instead. The VoPulse is, simply put, a Bluetooth speaker. There's a clip on the back that'll allow you to secure the speaker against any surface of the car. All you have to do to set it up is pair your phone with it, and since it's battery powered, your phone will automatically connect to it whenever you enter. From there, you can easily listen to music or take calls from the VoPulse. It's also compatible with the voice assistant on your phone, though the speakers come with its own set of voice commands. Number 6. FOBO Tire Plus. There really is no feature you can't add to a car after the fact, is there? Most cars come with a simple tire pressure warning, lighting up an indicator in your dash when the pressure's too low. If you're willing to step it up, you can get a real-time measurement of the exact pressure of your tires. Or you can grab the FOBO Tire Plus and add this feature to any car that you have. A kit of the FOBO Tire Plus comes with 4 tire pressure monitors that you can plug into the valves on your tires. These connect to a companion app on your phone and give you the exact pressure of your tires whenever you're in Bluetooth range of your car. There are also 3 warning levels for overpressure, underpressure, and leaks. That'll give you the signal you need to refill your tires or get them changed. Tires can be pretty unpredictable. Since it's hard to know the status of a tire by just looking at it, things can often go wrong at the worst time. Never be caught by surprise again. Pick up the FOBO Tire Plus. Number 5. Stinger Spider. Phone holders have become a very common sight in cars these days. And why not? A phone can be a very useful companion to your car, but taking it out of your pocket while driving is dangerous. The Stinger Spider is a phone holder, but it has a few tricks up its sleeve. We don't like to think of the worst case scenarios, but they can happen. One such scenario is you get into an accident and you're trapped inside your car. While help will surely be on the way, and that's when you reach for your phone holder, because it isn't just a phone holder, it's the Stinger Spider. Inside the Spider is a wicked sharp razor blade that can make short work of your seatbelt if you can't release it normally. And deep within the Spider is a spring-loaded mechanism that can punch through tempered glass panels, such as your window. With this single device, you can make your own escape from your car. Number 4. Car Door Warning Lights. Another simple but extremely useful safety device, these strips of warning lights can add a pretty underrated feature to your car. Opening your car doors in a parking space or in your garage is relatively safe. But sometimes we open our doors on the side of a live road. There, you run the risk of someone approaching from behind and knocking the door off its hinge. These warning lights will go on and strobe whenever the door is open. They're bright enough to be seen from a long way away, which ensures the oncoming drivers will avoid hitting your door. Number 3. CRICUT Joy. There are many reasons why you want to put labels on your car. It could be a warning label, like baby on board or new driver at the wheel. Any one of us who's seen the early Fast and Furious movies wants to cover our cars in brand logos and names. The CRICUT Joy is a simple and cheap vinyl label making device. It works basically like a printer, allowing you to print your custom vinyl decals. That leaves the actual decoration of your car entirely to your imagination. We talked about logos before, but how about tribal or electric patterns? Or mixing and matching colors and patterns? The only limit is your imagination and your ownership of a CRICUT Joy. Number 2. Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. Now we'll look at another safety device for your car. This is one that can be an absolute lifesaver if you get a flat tire on the road. Your car probably came with a spare tire and a toolkit to install that tire, but tire changes are hard work. Slime is a renowned tire accessories company, and they've created a flat tire kit that can be your all-in-one solution for tire emergencies. The kit contains a pump that can refill the air in your tire up to the pressure you set, and it isn't just air you get either. You also get a dose of the tire sealant to help plug the leak. And if it's dark out, the kit contains a handy flashlight to help you out. It should be noted that Slime says this kind of repair is only going to last you 3 days or 100 miles, so don't get too comfortable with the quick fix. But sometimes a quick fix is exactly what you need, making this kit an essential to keep in your car. Number 1. LOFTEK Nova Power. We're not regularly popping our hood to measure the charge in our car batteries, which is why there's often the risk of you turning the key of your car and getting no response from it. Invest in a LOFTEK Nova Power Jumpstart Kit. The Nova Power is a battery kit with jumper cables included. This battery is rated at 2200A, 12 volts, and 20,800 milliamp hours. The concept of this kit is very much the same as getting a jump start from someone else's battery, except the battery's your own. Jump starts won't last you forever, but they can buy you time until you get your battery changed out. Alright, which of these car gadgets are you adding to your carts? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to TechJoint.